Hello, my name is Zena Mendez, and I'm going to be talking about a vocabulary strategy that you can use to teach your students new social study words. The name of the strategy is Vocabulary Bingo, and you can find it at atlit.org. This website also offers other strategies that can be used before, during, or after reading. So the first step of this strategy is to have the students fill out the week's vocabulary words in any pattern on their papers. To the right, I have provided an example that I made using third grade words that were found in a textbook. So once students have filled out their papers, walk around and make sure that they have the correct words on their paper. They don't have to be correctly spelled as long as the students understand what that word is. Now, the second step is for you to draw or give a verbal description of that word. But remember, you cannot say the word. Now, the third step is to have the winner say the winning word and use them all in a sentence. To be declared the winner, all the paper must fill in, either with dry beans, Cheerios, or any other material that you want to use in your classroom. So if the winner had the word climate at last, they must say out loud for you to hear and stop the game. Also, they must use all of the words that are on their papers into a sentence. Now, the sentence must be clear and it must make sense. After all of that is done, then they are declared officially the winner of the vocabulary bingo. You may choose to or not to give them a prize, or you allow them to be the bingo reader for the students next. The strength of this strategy is that it makes new vocabulary fun and increases motivation and participation by using a team approach that invites the team to create the sentences. This is an awesome strategy that has the students entertained and engaged, and they learn new vocabulary words. Thanks for watching.